What's going on? It's your boy Cartoon here with Cartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer can buy. Today we're going to be looking at the Skullcandy Dime TX. Stay tuned. Alright, so I like doing videos of budget headphones or earbuds, and I came across these bad boys. It's from Skullcandy. This is the Dime TX. It's 12 hours of battery life. They have control, music, and mic, auto correction. It says a secure noise isolation fit. So they played it pretty smart. Not noise cancellation, but it isolate outside noise as much as possible, and it's water resistant. So it basically is rocking the brand kind of brand new, the Bluetooth 5.0. It tracks phone call. It's premium audio quality, microphone on both sides. So the isolation, this and the third. So basically it showed you a diagram of how many hours do they calculate it, which is pretty cool. So it's basically saying is eight and a half hours of battery case, and then 3.5 hours for the earbuds together. So let's open this bad boy up and let's see what we get inside. So we're getting a decent presentation. So it says charge the earbuds and the case before using. So we're gonna do that. So let's pull it out here. So they're gonna give you a little Q code so you could get started. I don't know. Let's see what. All right, we come through the bottom. So we get different size of ear tips. So I'm guessing this is small and this is the large. Usually they put in the medium in there. And the case is micro USB. Micro USB. There you go. I like how short it is. This is very handy, short ones, because just throw them on. This down the third. So we're gonna charge these bad boys, and then we're gonna give it a little test run to see how they are. All right, so I had to charge them for a little bit, for a good hour. So we're gonna open it up and see how it looks. It's nice and stiff in there. That's a good thing. All right, it's not bad. So you can see if it's in there because the logo sticks out. Not bad. Like I said, it's micro USB charger. Okay. So I guess the earbuds never charge, which is, I'm cool with that. Oh man, that was funny. So let me take these stickers out. Take it off. So let me throw these bad boys away. Okay, so just to pair it up, all you gotta do is take them out. Go to your device. Go to your Bluetooth menu. Then come down here. So there you go. They're right there. Yes, sweet sir. And we're gonna try them out and see how good they are. So let me go to one of my boys' brand new video. I'm gonna definitely leave a link down below also. So let me just get it. I'm gonna leave a link down below for my boy Snatch Flow. Send me out. Dope video, dope song. It's crazy. Y'all definitely show y'all support, and at the comment let them know that Cartoon sent you out there. But let me try it out and see how these buds do. So let me try them out. Okay, it got bass. All right, yeah, let's say they know me. They say they know me. Okay. So it definitely minimizes the sound from the outside. It has a good seal. Like I said, it also depends what ear tips y'all use. So y'all gotta do the adjustment there. But this medium fits me well. It doesn't fall off or nothing. Okay, that's good. Doing the shape is there. So let me keep playing it because it really does sound really, really good. Let's see me back. with the sauce. Okay. Uh, 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 oh. Okay, guys. It's good. It's really good. Let me put these back on here, and we're gonna try out how good it does with the case to come out. So, open it up. Put the left one in. Put the right one in. We close it up. Oh, it doesn't come out. Nope, it doesn't come out. So they're pretty good. Good case. So the only thing is not wireless charging, which I'm cool with that. For the price, I'm cool with it. All right, guys. So my verdict is, if you need a backup, this backup, going to the gym, walking around, just doing some yard work, or you like to study with some music at the library, guys, for 20 bucks, you cannot go wrong with these. I'm like really surprised. I tried a lot of earbuds, not like other YouTubers, but I have quite a few of them, and these I'm not gonna give them away. I'm actually gonna keep these bad boys. The sound is amazing. Like, I can't, especially listen to my boy Snatch Flow's track. It was crazy. It was dope. It was, oh my god. The bass, the treble, the voice, everything for the price, you can't beat it. Just can't beat it. As a backup, let's say you just forgot your other ones and you just can't find them, this, that, and the third, and you got this, you're not gonna go wrong with these bad boys. Like, these are great for the price of $20, and they come in different colors. I've seen some blue with gray, but I recommend them. Point blank period, I recommend them. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm also going to leave a link down below to my Cash App if y'all want to donate to my channel. It's your boy Cartoon. Peace.